Happy morning all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, we are learning about chapter number 6, Stone Age Stone Tools. Okay, so in this our main point is Stone Age Tools. Yesterday we have completed first part of the Stone Age tool, which one was Old Age Stone. Okay, and today we are going to complete Middle Stone Age. Middle Stone Age. This is called Mesolithic Age. Mesolithic Age. Lithic means stone, means Middle Stone Age. Okay, so open your book, page number 28. See here, Middle Stone Age, Mesolithic Age. Homo sapiens in the Middle Stone Age continued to make progress in many different ways. They domesticated the dog. Due to changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the way of life humans had begun to change. See, Homo sapiens in the Middle Age, they continued to make progress in many different ways. They continued their progress, okay, in different ways. Which progress now? For example, domesticated the dog. Domesticated dog means dog is domestic animal, yeah. So domesticated means they started to keep dogs along with them, okay. Then due to changes in the climate, and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, climate and environment, it is change. In the Middle Stone Age, the way of life of humans had begun to change. The way of humans, it is change. Besides hunting, Homo sapiens have started to harvest food grains. See, hunting means to kill the animals. So besides hunting means more than this hunting they were doing. Again, additional work, what they started, food grain, harvest food grain that grew in the wild and to domestic animals. Food grain which is useful for wild animals also and which is useful for domestic animals also. Their diet now included various plants foods. Food. They also began to settle in one place from a part of a year. See, they also start to settle on one place for the part of year, means for 6 months. For 6 months they were living on a place. Domestication of sheep and goats also goes back to this period. Domestication of sheep and goats like dogs. Okay, domestication I have told you. Taking all these into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types. Now see, taking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools. Several different tools they were needed that were light in weight and durable for a variety of the tasks such as hunting. See, that were lightweight, okay, and it was durable. Durable means long lasting, it will goes for more time. For what purpose? For the variety of tasks such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, okay, cutting of trees also they were started to cut, etc. He used to make implements like the knife. See, he used to make implements like knife and the sickle by fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into a groove in a bone, a piece of wood. Okay, now see, I will explain you what is this. See, sickle means, sickle means a short handle farming tool. A short handle farming tool with a semicircle blade. See, short handle tool with a semicircle blade. Okay, you can see on the screen here. short handle with a semicircle blade. What we used to say it in Marathi? All of you have this tool at your home to cut the grass. Your mother use it. What we used to say it? Very good. And this one is also there at your home, but its shape is little different. How is it shape now at your home? Which one is appeared now? Like this tool is there at your home now. Yeah, what you used to say this? Very good. I'm not going to tell you, you are telling me. Very good. So see, this one and this one in Marathi we are saying same word for this. Okay? Vila koita. And this one also koita. Okay? So like this sickle you can see in the South movies. In the South movies for killing purpose those people use this. Yeah, have you seen? Yeah. So see here, short handle with semi-circle tool, like these tools. This one is called sickle. Okay, keep in mind, we know in Marathi but we don't know in English. Okay, so always keep in mind, sickle means like this tool, a small handle farming tool which with semi-circle. Very good. Now see, he started to make knife. Now you know knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Like this knife. We used to cut lemon, tomatoes, okay, like this knife. Now he started to make knife like with the help of bones and wooden sticks. Now how? See, for example here, like this bone he took, okay, and he used to cut this bone from here, and he used to put small stone pieces in it. Okay, small stone pieces in it. We are going to see it how he makes. Okay, so like this. Now many sites of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Among them Bagor in Rajasthan. See, Bagor in Rajasthan, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Langnaj in Gujarat, and Patane in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra are well known ones. Okay, these are the places where these sites are found. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Now for our basic information, downside some information is given. See, in the Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by the flute core, technique. Flute means, do you know flute means which is played by Shri Krishna? Yeah, do you know Lord Shri Krishna? In his hand you can see flute. Okay, so like that flute technique. Flute means a long parallel sided depression on the stone. See, flute means a long parallel sided depression on the stone, and core means the original stone. Core means the original stone from which the blades are removed. After the blades were removed from the stone from all sides, the remaining core had such fluted on all sides. Blades removed with this technique are very minute. The sizes of a nail are slightly bigger, hence they are called microliths. Micro means very small. Micro means very small, and lithos means stone. So in the Middle Stone Age, arrows were made by fixing a microlith at the tip of a stick. Okay. See, your downside now pictures are shown, their tools. a fluted core. See, with the help of arrow it is shown. I am not going to show on the screen because you have to see in your book. Okay, see, a fluted core, first picture. Then next to it, microliths, middle stone age, microliths. Then third one, arrows with microliths as tips middle stone age. See, those microliths, they are fixed on a stick and they are made arrows of it. Now downside, knife. See, a knife with an edge like a saw made by fixing microliths. See, microliths are fixed in the middle stone edge. Then last one, fish hooks of bones. For fishing purpose they were making fish hooks like this, middle stone age. All these tools are of middle stone age. So do you understand? Very good. So dear students, what do you have to do today? This paragraph you have to read again. Okay, now here which technique is told? Fluted core technique. Okay, so in old stone age, which technique I have told you, which technique they were using, okay, that you have to find out. Okay, and at the last of homework you will mention that which technique was found in old stone age. Okay, for example, in middle stone age, fluted core technique is applied. So in old stone age, which technique is applied? Okay, so this word meaning write in your notebook, draw these pictures in your notebook. Okay, these things, and today only 10 hard words, find out only 10 hard words and copy them thrice in your notebook. Okay, and try to find out bigger hard words. Okay, you are finding very small hard words, you have to find out bigger hard words. Okay, and learn them. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow we will meet here again with the remaining point. Thank you very much.